Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Hope you're doing well. I just got home from work and I got a little project. Changed and ready to go. This should be a pretty quick and easy project. I just unboxed everything and there were supposed to be 8 of these, but looking at it, I really only need 4. So we'll figure that out. These are the brackets. These are pretty cool. These actually have ball bearings. It's cast aluminum. I would have really preferred if these were galvanized or something, but I think it'll be strong enough. They do come with some nice lag bolts, so I'm happy to see that. Yeah, and then these guys are supposed to be like the professional grade or the playground grade. Hopefully we got enough good parts here where if I happen to find someone who's 400 pounds and they want to screw around on a swing, they're not going to hurt themselves. Oh, and wait till you see the chain. Ended up being a bit more heavy duty than I expected. You can see it's the same gauge as the carabiners. I think we should put it on this one, not the outside one, but one in. What do you think about that?
Yeah, that's perfect.
Or should we go 2 in or in the middle?
Well, I just think one in.
1 in?
One, yeah.
What if it tears the floor?
Yeah, because then you got the trees over here. Yeah, I think that'll work. All right, let's go get set up. This is probably the most tricky part, figuring out the spacing. So let's see what we got. The swing is 24 inches. I think we're gonna hang the chains 24 inches. You've got some sag. That should be fine. Kit comes with some stickers. I can put those exactly where I want to put the swing. I like it. Perfect. And this one. Okay. And that gives us, well, 17 inches. All right, so I have ended up having 17 inches in the middle here, but I want to get a little bit of ways away from some obstacles. And to be honest, like, I can drill more holes and move these if it doesn't work. Yeah, let's do it. There we go, now I got some light. Actually, check it out. Let me take the camera off. This is what we got going on. Whole bunch of random stuff. You got the 3 lights, like, you know, you can just buy them and put them on your ceiling. A little AC/DC converter right there. And then I have a 20-volt battery pack. And in the box, I have a 20-volt to 12-volt converter so I can power these automotive accessory outlets. I actually use the 12-volt power for some other projects that I need it for, but in this case, works pretty good. And I know there's battery adapter inverter thingies directly for the batteries. This is just kind of one of those things that when you have the pieces, you put it together and yeah, and it works. I also use this light in the wood shop a lot too. It's great for finishing, seeing if your sanding is actually as good as you think it is. All right, let's get back to work. Yep. Woo! Oh, dang. All right. Maybe just a tiny bit lower, and then we can always choke up on the top. I need a hand. Come here. I need you to do kid stuff. Tell me what you think.
Yeah, I like this a bit better.
That's about right. We can always go a little bit higher too, because it can choke up on the top with the chains. You know what I mean? So the main thing is that we don't go too high to start with. But you think this is good? Okay. Because really in winter we could always higher it, move it up a little bit if the snow. Actually, there's no snow under here, is there?
Is that chain strong?
Yeah, it's supposed to be able to hold 1,250 pounds. So,
You just pushed in the plastic cup.
all right, there you go. One swing. You want to try it? Okay, go ahead, try it. My product testers might have revealed a problem. I didn't think about it, but when you look at the arc of the swing, it's possible it might go back far enough to contact that tree. Go as high as you can. I don't know. He might not hit the tree with the other swing. I'm going to have to get the ladder and stand on it. Good. That's good news. Shoot. With one swing installed and one to go, I quickly realized I was missing my socket. It popped off the drill when it fell and hit me. Using two different magnetic tools, I searched and couldn't find it. I just found Jesus. Actually, I just found Utah. As I was about to give up and go find a different socket and continue this search in the morning. Oh, wait a minute. Got it. Okay, now back to your regularly scheduled swing installation. Now we gotta figure out how to put this one up. This one's actually pretty tall already. This is all we got left. And I thought I would have like 5 extra feet.
Maybe like 2 extra feet.
Not even.
Oh, wood.
Nice. No, you can turn that on too. There you go. Turn the other one on. Turn all the lights on. There you go. Nice.
High five! Okay. Ah! Stingers. Whoa, Feely. That's.
I built this treehouse just for swinging.
It's good that you experimented
Why?
Well,
with the children to make sure that it
work.
the treehouse can take the stress.
You should always experiment with children when you're getting into swinging.
Jeez, would you? That's just not even okay. Just stop.
Should I do kiki shoot? I don't want to hit.
Treehouse nets are good for watching swinging from.
That is a wrap on swinging at the treehouse. I think it was very successful.
I think it was a fun time.
It was.
I recommend it.
I just heard a crash.
I think we should do it again.
All right, thanks for watching, and yeah, till next time.
Sort of a low bridge.
Can you get screens that pull across? Because then we could get a screen that pulled across here.
I mean, we could probably figure out some kind of screen here and watch movies on the net.
Yeah.
The bigger thing would be sound. We need a nice sound system.
Yeah.
So, let's figure that
Hey,
out.
I'm gonna roll. I'm not afraid to use it.
2.5 weeks to Rogue.
Ooh, I worked that weekend though.
You do?
Yes,
You
I
work
do.
Halloween weekend?
I do.
Boo!
I'm pretty sure I closed that night too. All right, who's gonna help me pick up now? Anybody? Mom?